Welcome, everybody. Today is Sunday, January 12th, 2025. We are live just past 6:55 p.m. Eastern from beautiful Cleveland, Ohio. My name is Artie. We are Bomber Breaks, and I've got for you right now 4 boxes of 2324 Topps Cosmic Chrome basketball from our eBay store, Bomber Sports Cards. Appreciate y'all jumping in, and welcome to those of you that are new. I hope you have some fun and learn how we do things here at Bomber Breaks. Live most nights of the week, Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and new release Fridays. We've got filling the majority of our breaks through our website, which is bomberbreaks.com. I've got a ton of offerings for you tonight. We've got more Cosmic Chrome. If you would like it, use that code Cosmic30. Cosmic30 for 30% off the PYTs. We run 6-box, half-case PYTs of the Cosmic. I do have another 4 boxes of Cosmic Chrome in our eBay store tonight. From 9 to 9:30 are those auctions for tomorrow night's breaks. We've got more basketball just coming off the release of Contenders Optic basketball. Have the code Weekend10 if you want to save 10% on Contenders Optic. Look for that cracked ice fire. I also have one remaining case of National Treasures basketball. We are getting so close to being able to rip another NT Logo Man chase. So take a look and see what you think there. Boom 15 will get you 15% off the NT teams remaining. Shipping is twice a week here, every Tuesday and Friday. We do our very best to get cards into the mail, so these will go out on Tuesday with everything that we break tonight and tomorrow, plus the stuff we did on Friday's new release afternoon. Cosmic Chrome does not have any autograph guarantees in this product, but looking to find some bangers for you all. We also looking for numbered hits, refractors, planetary pursuits, cosmic dust, and Cosmic Heroes, some of these short prints that we can find, as you see right there in front of you. All right, this is Topps basketball, so you'll have city names on the back of the cards. If you have questions about any of the players or where they go, certainly don't hesitate to shout in the chat. Do my best to communicate rookies and any hits, of course. All right. Lineup in this one, it's Amarando, welcome, Rockets and the Jazz, Amber H, San Antonio Spurs, Wemby Hunting, best of luck. Brian H, welcome Brian, Sixers for you, welcome to Bruno L with the Pistons and the Magic. Corey K has the Heat and the T-Wolves, Frederick H with the Hawks and the Nets. Welcome to George S with the hometown first place NBA's best Cleveland Cavaliers, let them know. Jason K, welcome Jason, Bulls, Clippers, Pellies, and the Kings. Michael C with the Milwaukee Bucks. Stephen F, welcome in again, my man. Celtics, Hornets, Mavericks, Nuggets, Warriors, Pacers, Lakers, Knicks, Thunder, and the Blazers. Good luck. Wehow, Raptors, and the Wizards. Zach M, welcome Zach. You've got the Grizzlies and the Suns tonight, rounding out the lineup. All right, best of luck to everybody. Here we go. Cosmic Chrome time. Come on, baby. Due for a big boom from this product. Come on. All right, let's start with a G.G. Jackson refractor for the Memphis Grizzlies. G.G. Jackson there, Memphis rookie refractor. Alex English for the Nuggets on the insert. And there's a fun one for the LA Lakers. It is a white Cosmic of Anthony Davis. Anthony Davis, the white Cosmics are not numbered, but still relatively rare. The Lake Show here, that's Steven. Congrats on the Davis. Star Clusters and... Oh, I apologize. Star Clusters here. Chet and Jalen Green. That's Thunder for Steven. And Jalen is a Rocket, which is Houston. So that is somebody else right there. Amarando. Okay, so here's how this works, guys. We'll roll a die for it. Going to be odds left, evens right. Odds left to Chet, evens right to Jalen. This die roll is also going to apply to any and all of the remaining star clusters that we get in this break. So all the base we'll go to this odds left, evens right. If we get more than one, we'll go back and forth. And if we get a numbered hit, a numbered star clusters duel, then we'll do a separate random. So this only applies to base duels. Odds left, evens right. Odds left, evens right. Odds the 3 left side. Gonna take these to start OKC and Chet getting this one. Jaime Jaquez Jr. launched into orbit. Heat, Jet Howard and Ben Shepard, rookies. Shepard's a pacer. Jet Howard is Orlando. Donovan Mitchell, ET talent. Brown and Wilson for the Clippers and Nets, respectively. There's a fun scope. Derek Lively, rookie, Dallas Mavericks. Shaq, Galaxy Greats. Lakers on the Shaq insert. Nikola there, and there's a nice Brandon Miller, ET talent insert for the Charlotte Hornets. Bam and Montes. Kyrie for the Mavs, ET talent, and Jordan Hawkins, Pelicans rookie. Cam Whitmore, ET talent for the Rockets. There's a fun one. It's Cosmic Heroes, short print for the Boston Celtics. Stephen F., that is yours. Larry Legend. Mr. Bird there, Cosmic Heroes. Congrats. Only the second of these that I've pulled from my many, many Cosmic boxes. Grant Hill is Detroit, I believe, here. No, Orlando. Sorry, Orlando on the Grant Hill insert. So for the Heat, Hendricks is Jazz, Cam Whitmore Rockets. All Seattle Supersonics cards go to the Oklahoma City Thunder spot via franchise history. Strother is the Nuggets rookie. Brandon Ingram refractor here for the Pellies. Star clusters, a couple of Boston Celtics. That's Jason and Jalen. Numbered hit incoming for the Denver Nuggets. It's Julian Strother. Rookie, 131 out of 149. That's Steven. Julian Strother to 149 for you. Jaquez rookie and Sasser. Heat and Pistons. George Gervin, the Iceman. Colby Jones is Kings, and City is a Spur. Launch into orbit. T-Mac. Isaiah Wong, and there's a Miller. Wong is a Pacer. Miller, of course, for the Hornets. All right, in box number 2. Good luck, everyone. AI launched into orbit. ET talent of De'Aaron. Seth Curry, Hornets refractor. Jason Kidd, Galaxy Greats. And in the pink for the Utah Jazz, it's John Collins. John Collins, pink, Utah. Need my first Wemby appearance of the break. Let's get that. See, this is what I gotta do. Gotta speak that into existence. There is a little ET talent for the Spurs. Couldn't plan that one any better. Wembanyama, extraterrestrial talent there. San Antonio. I need my first superfractor of the break. Grady Dick, rookie, and Larry Johnson. Sensabaugh, rookie, and Desmond Bain here. Scope, Memphis. Milwaukee Bucks on the Andre Jackson Jr. rookie, and a couple of Atlanta Hawks, DeJounte and Trae Young. Najee rookie. Scoot Henderson launched into orbit for the Blazers. That's Garnett and O'Neal. Lakers getting, no, T-Wolves getting that one to start. Left side, we said, on the die roll for the star clusters. Manu inserts. Man, these packs. Here for the Heat, it's a nice hit. Rookie Jaime Jaquez Jr. 129 out of 149. Miami Corey, that's yours on the Jaquez to 149. Probably going to see more of an increased roll with all the Jimmy Butler things going on. John LeBee wants to see some triple threads. If you guys were with my streams Thursday or Friday, you know that I very badly want to as well. Love to open that prize. So much fun. Let's we're close. We're to filler time now, so should, I think, go tonight. Here's a Malik Monk refractor for the Kings. Prosper rookie for the Mavs. And there's a beautiful first flight signatures. For the Pelicans, it's Jordan Hawkins. 74 out of 75. Man, that looks nice. Rookie auto of Jordan Hawkins. Congrats to my Pelicans spot, Jason K. Jason K, that's yours. Jordan Hawkins to 75 in the black. Did I say Pelicans already? Pelicans. Jason K, I did. Congrats, Jason. All right, halfway through. Got some nice ones already. Let's see what else we can add to the mail days from Cosmic Chrome Hoops. Kyrie, ET Talent, and Maxis Prosper rookie for the Mavs. There's a scoop. Britton and Miller rookie. Nice one there, Charlotte. Steven, that is yours on the Miller. Bailey and Davis. More Jaquez launching to orbit. Helly, ET Talent. Jamal Wilkes, Galaxy Greats. Jalen Green, Refractor. What did I do? Hold on. Jalen Green, Refractor, Houston. Seth Lundy is a Hawks rookie. Star clusters of Cam Whitmore and Brandon Miller. Left side on that one. Go into Houston to start. Keontae for the Thunder. Hey, Joe, no. That's up right after WWE NT. Star clusters of some Phoenix Suns, KD and Booker. Scotty Barnes, Refractor for the Raptors. KCP, and that is a boom for the Spurs. Extraterrestrial talent, Victor Wembanyama, blue, 83 out of 99. Nice hit there, Amber. ET talent of Wemby in the blue to 99. And there's a low hit, or a low numbered hit rather. Short print, Corey Kispert, Ruby Red, 2 out of 5 for the Washington Wizards. Gonzaga product, 2 out of 5. Weehow, that is yours. Congrats. Kispert, red to 5. Picking up some steam here. Second half of your break. Towns on the inserts. Anthony Black is a Magic rookie. Melo. SGA on the insert. Peja. That is Brandon Miller, launched into orbit for the Hornets. Koulibaly rookie for the Wizards. Star clusters, again, the Hawks boys. LP there and ET talent here. A lot of Brandon Miller inserts and rookies coming out. Chet Howard, Magic rookie. Norman Powell, LA Clippers, Refractor. Shepard for the Pacers and Kobe Brown for the Clippers. Larry Johnson insert. That's Jalen Wilson for the Nets. Bridges is still with Brooklyn in this product. Paul Pierce from last year, obviously. Walsh, Celtics. Livingston for the Bucks. All right, Bucks. Pardon me. All right, box number 4. This is that time in your break where I ask you to do 2 things for me. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and smash that like button on the live stream. I appreciate it. If you could, it does help me out. Helps get our stream out to as many eyeballs as possible who enjoy the card breaks there on YouTube. Here for the Oklahoma City Thunder spot via the Seattle Supersonics, it's the Rain Man, Shawn Kemp. 27 out of 75 in the green. Cool Kemp there for Seattle. Going to Oklahoma City. More Kemp. Bill Walton's the Blazers. Clay for the Warriors, and Star Clusters, a couple of Thunder, SGA and Jalen Williams. And there's a cool hit for the Milwaukee Bucks. It's Planetary Pursuit, the Sun of Giannis Antetokounmpo. Milwaukee Bucks getting that one. Michael C. Congrats. Planetary Pursuit, the Sun of Giannis. GG rookie for the Grizz. There's Tatum. Let me just get one more banger auto, and this would be a really, really great 4-boxer. Come on. Jaylen Brown refractor for Boston. Grady Dick, ET Talent. Rupert rookie for the Blazers. And also for the Blazers, it's Shaden Sharp. 112 out of 149. Sharp to 149, Portland. Donovan and Jefferson's Nets. Trace Jackson Davis, rookie. Star Clusters, couple of Celts. Wemby base rookie. And again, launched an Orbit Wemby. Ray Allen is the Bucks. Curvin is Spurs. Jamal Murray for the Nuggets. KCP is also Denver. Karras for the Cavs. LeBron base. Booker. Giannis, ET Talents. Chris Murray, rookie, and Stockton Refractor for the Jazz. Chris Murray is a Blazer. And last one. Pickett for the Nuggets. T-Mac there, Toronto. And that's going to bring us home. All right, so let's recap this one back for you. Things I sleeved up to be top loaded include a LeBron James base card, ET Talent of Brandon Miller, and launching an Orbit Brandon Miller. Star Clusters of Cam Whitmore and Brandon Miller. That will actually go to the Rockets spot via the die roll. Miller base rookie, Miller ET Talent, Derek Lively Scope rookie, and GG Jackson Refractor rookie. Lively is a Maverick, GG a Grizzly. Some other hits that I top loaded up here. We had two more Wembys launched into Orbit and Extraterrestrial Talent for the Spurs. I lied to you. I had another base Wemby there. So 3 Wembys plus the bigger Wemby boom in the back. Non-numbered here in the pink is John Collins for the Utah Jazz, and non-numbered in the white is Anthony Davis for the LA Lakers. Do we have more numbered hits here? It's Shaden Sharp to 149 for the Blazers, and Sean Kemp to 75 for the Supersonics, going to the Thunder. And Julian Strother, Nuggets to 149. Back row booms, we did quite well. It's Corey Kispert, Ruby Red to 5 for the Wizards. And Jaime Jaquez Jr. to 149, Miami Heat. There. We had a scope, Brandon Miller for the Charlotte Hornets. And for the Milwaukee Bucks, it's Planetary Pursuit, the son of Giannis Antetokounmpo. Cool hit there. We had Cosmic Heroes, Larry Bird for the Boston Celtics. And extraterrestrial talent, Victor Wembanyama, 83 out of 99 in the blue on the Wemby. Lone autograph in the break goes to the Pelicans. It's rookie Jordan Hawkins, 74 out of 75 on the First Flight Signatures card. Congrats to those that got hits. We're going to stop and save. We've got National Treasures WWE up next from BomberBreaks.com.